Welcome to this tutorial on aligning text in WordPress for the year 2025. In this guide you will learn a simple and effective method to change the alignment of any text element on your website quickly and effortlessly. The process is designed to be straightforward, and by following the instructions step by step you can master text alignment without any hassle. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of the screen. There you will find the login button. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of signing into your WordPress account, enabling you to access your site's editing features. After selecting the login option, you will be prompted with several ways to sign in. An efficient method is to click on the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This approach streamlines the login process by automatically authenticating your credentials through Google. When you click on the Continue with Google option, you will be asked to choose from the available accounts on your device. Once you make your selection, you will be logged into your WordPress account, ready to manage your site. Now that you have successfully signed in, look for the section labeled with Quick Access Options, often referred to as Quick Links. In this area, you will find the Edit Site option. Selecting Edit Site takes you directly into the WordPress site editor. This powerful editor is where you can customize the design and content of your website, ranging from layout adjustments to text formatting changes. When you are in the site editor, move your cursor to the text that you wish to modify. Click on the text element to select it. This action is crucial because it ensures that any changes you make will only affect the selected text block, rather than altering other content on your page. With the correct text highlighted, you are now ready to adjust the way it is presented. Look towards the navigation bar within the editor where you will find a feature specifically designed for text alignment. The Align feature is clearly indicated and can be accessed with a simple click. Activating this function will unveil a set of alignment options tailored to your needs. At this stage you will be presented with a choice of 3 alignment positions. You can align the text to the left if you are aiming for a traditional layout. Alternatively, choosing to center the text may suit pages where balance and symmetry are important. Lastly, the option to align the text to the right is available for designs that call for a more modern or alternative structure. Take a moment to consider the overall design of your site before making your selection, and click on the alignment that best fits the look you are going for. By following these instructions closely, you have now learned a quick and efficient way to adjust text alignment on your WordPress site. This method is both fast and reliable, making it a valuable skill for anyone looking to enhance their website's appearance. Enjoy the improved readability and style this simple adjustment brings to your content, and feel confident knowing that your site now has a polished, professional look.